Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic Doom E1M1 theme on guitar. This legendary track, known as At Doom's Gate, is a thrash metal masterpiece. We will break down the entire song into 3 manageable riffs, focusing on the core techniques. You'll learn the specific notes, proper rhythm, and effective practice methods to conquer this classic. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E. This song heavily relies on power chords, typically played with 2 fingers. You'll use your index finger for the root note and your ring finger 2 frets higher on the next string. Palm muting is crucial for that signature thrash metal chugging sound. Rest the edge of your picking hand near the bridge to achieve this tight, percussive effect. The song is built from 3 distinct riffs. Riff 1 starts with 2 palm-muted open low E string chugs, moving to the 7th and 5th frets on the A string. Riff 2 focuses on palm-muted open A string notes, combined with the 7th and 5th frets on the D string. Riff 3 introduces melodic movement across the A, D, and G strings, often concluding with a dissonant tritone. Practice each section individually for mastery before combining them. To truly master Doom E1M1, consistent practice is key. Begin by playing each riff at a very slow tempo, ensuring every note is clean and clear. Use a metronome to gradually build your speed, aiming for a fast, aggressive feel. Pay close attention to your palm muting technique for that authentic heavy sound. Once comfortable with individual riffs, combine them seamlessly to play the entire track with confidence and precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.